No deberíais estar aquí, señor.
¿Gato? Esto no puedo creerlo.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis, guys. Yes, today we are going to do something different. And why is that? Because today we will learn Spanish with movies, animated movies. And maybe you know this movie. Of course you know this movie because it's Shrek Forever After. Yes, guys, you know this famous character from animated fantasy comedy film Shrek, and is the part number 4, I think, Forever After. I think all of you already have watched that movie. So why I decided to do it, because all of you know that movie, and I think if we watch now, not in English, in Spanish, guys, you will be practicing Spanish with something interesting that you like and that you already know. Let's start. And remember, guys, that you can subscribe to my channel and you can watch more content like this, future content, or already the videos that I have on my channel. So let's start here, guys. What we will do here in this lesson has different steps. And the first step is watch the original clip without subtitles. Without subtitles, guys. We will only watch, listen, and then the second step, what we will do? Subtitles, we will watch the same clip with subtitles. Understand what I mean? And the third step is replay. We will watch the original clip again without subtitles again. And I think you will understand everything. But what will happen in the second step? In the second step, when we will be watching with subtitles, I will be explaining the meanings of some words in Spanish that maybe are not understandable for you. The first step, we will watch.
Hola. Fiona.
No deberíais estar aquí, señor.
¿Gato? Esto no puedo creerlo.
Aliméntame, si puedes.
Gato, ¿qué te pasó? Estás tan gracioso.
¿Te conozco?
¿Tu sombrero dónde está? ¿Y tu cinturón? ¿Y tus botitas?
¡Bota! ¡Pa' un gato! ¡Ja!
Eres el gato con botas.
Puede que antaño, pero el nombre se me ha quedado pequeño.
No es lo único que se te ha quedado pequeño.
¡Ey! A lo mejor me ha abandonado un poquillo desde el día de mi retiro. Pero colgar la espada fue la mejor decisión de mi vida. Tengo toda la crema que quiero y los ratones que puedo atrapar. Ese puede esperar.
Ay, gato, ¿qué te he hecho? Te has esponjado.
Pues, bueno, aquí me cepillan 2 veces al día.
Aún es tiempo de repararlo. Solo ayúdame a conseguir un beso de Fiona.
¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿De dónde salió ese sujeto?
¿Será posible? Tantos años de mimos y arrumacos me han ablandado.
No seas tonto. ¿Quién es un lindo gatito?
Yo.
¿Quién es un lindo gatito? Yo. So guys, do you understand something in this clip? Something was understandable for you? Maybe some words, maybe everything. I don't know, guys. So now the second step, we will watch again with subtitles, guys. Yes, and we will explain some words. So let's start with the second step. Are you ready? I am ready.
No deberíais estar aquí, señor.
¿Gato? Esto no puedo creerlo.
Aliméntame, si puedes.
Aliméntame si puedes. Guys, interesting fact. I know all of you know that the voice of the Puss in Boots, del gato con botas, in Spanish is Antonio Banderas. Yes, Antonio Banderas put the voice to this character in English and in Spanish, guys. So when you listen to him in English, it's the Spanish accent, 100%. And here, guys, is also in Spanish, Antonio Banderas. It's the same, guys, yeah? But of course, here is in Spanish, not in English, but it's Antonio Banderas. And he say, alimentame si puedes, guy. Alimentar, the verb alimentar. If you didn't know, you need to write this verb down, guys. It's very useful. Alimentame, feed me, feed me. Si puedes, interesting. Poder, the verb poder is like can't, if you can't, yeah? But in this context also can be if you dare, if you dare. Alimentame si puedes, if you dare. If you dare is in context because when I watch this movie in English, in fact, he said, feed me if you dare. So it can be feed me if you can, feed me if you dare. Alimentame si puedes.
Feed me if you dare.
Very fat, yeah? Muy gordo, el gato con botas. Going on, guys. Guys, this is el gato con botas fat, gordo. And this, in this photo, is el gato con botas skinny, maybe. Very funny, yes? How they make our favorite character gordo, gordito. Going on.
¿Qué te pasó? Estás tan gracioso.
Te conozco.
Gato, ¿qué te pasó?
Guys, it's interesting here how Shrek play with the words because he say, ¿Qué te pasó? He don't say, ¿Qué te pasó? What happens? ¿Qué te pasó? No, he say, ¿Qué te pasó? Yeah, he's like making fun of him, or maybe they wanted to put this translation or this, I don't know, or maybe they wanted to put this translation because it sounds funny. Why? I will explain now. Panza. Panza, it means belly or stomach. Yeah, panza. It's a different word that we use for belly, guys. For belly, for estómago, barriga, and panza. So, he say, ¿Qué te pasó? It's funny because he don't use the word pasó. He used panzó from the word panza, belly. So he means that what happened with your belly, maybe, or what happened there in the belly, in the panza, la panza. ¿Qué te pasó? Yeah, I need to put attention because he don't say pasó. He say panzó. Got it, guy. Let's listen again.
Gato, ¿qué te pasó? Estás tan...
He want to say gordo. Very offensive word, guys. Fat, gordo. No, he say...
Gracioso.
Te conozco.
¿Tu sombrero dónde está? ¿Y tu cinturón? ¿Y tus botitas?
¡Bota! ¡Pa' un gato! ¡Ja!
Eres el gato con botas.
Puede que antaño. Pero el nombre se me ha quedado pequeño.
So guys, antaño is a very interesting word. Why? Because antaño we use when we want to talk about something that happened in the past. Yes? Antaño is like in a past time, like something that happened before. So he say like maybe in the past, but you can say in another way. Puede que antaño, you can say puede que en el pasado o tal vez en el pasado. The same like synonym of this, antaño, pasado, we can say in that way. Got it, guys. Going on.
Pero el nombre se me ha quedado pequeño.
No es lo único que se te ha quedado pequeño.
¡Ey!
Pero el nombre se me ha quedado pequeño. Yes, guys, this phrase we use it when something don't fit with us. Like, ese nombre te queda pequeño. Like, this name is so little for you. It means that this person is telling you that maybe don't fit with you. Because before, él tiene botas, boots, el gato con botas. And now, ese nombre se ha quedado pequeño because he's different. He changed, guy, yeah? And Shrek say, no es lo único que se te ha quedado pequeño. It's understandable, yes? The gato is offended, guys, maybe. Let's see.
Pequeño.
¡Ey! A lo mejor me ha abandonado un poquillo desde el día de mi retiro.
Poquillo. Guys, poquillo is understandable. It's like poquito, poco, poquillo. So he can say poquito, poquillo, poco. Got it, guys. Yeah, you can say in diminutive. Often we use it. I use often poquito. He use poquillo. Got it. Going on.
Pero colgar la espada fue la mejor decisión de mi vida. Tengo toda la crema que quiero y los ratones que puedo atrapar. Ese puede esperar.
Ay, gato, ¿qué te he hecho? Te has esponjado.
Guys, esponjado is maybe another way to say to someone that is fat or is getting fat, guys. Because he used te has esponjado. Te has is the past perfecto compuesto that we use like from that time to this time when he is becoming fat or he became fat. Yeah, you became fat, like you are like big, like más grande, gordo, fluffed, esponjado. In a different way, Shrek say. Interesting. What do you think, guys? El gato con botas esponjado.
Bueno, aquí me cepillan 2 veces al día.
Aún es tiempo de repararlo. Solo ayúdame a conseguir un beso de Fiona.
Remember that some weeks ago on my channel a video about how to say so in Spanish. Bueno, pues. This can be translated like so. Bueno y pues in that context, guy. Yeah, you need to write it down. Going on.
Aún es tiempo de repararlo. Solo ayúdame a conseguir un beso de Fiona.
¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿De dónde salió ese sujeto?
¿Será posible?
Guys, interesting word here, sujeto. Sujeto, we use it when we don't know the person, or I don't know, you don't know the name, or is someone like is anonymous, maybe someone that you don't know, a stranger, we say ese sujeto, that guy, maybe can be translated, sujeto, guy, sujeto, we use it often, or some strange person, yeah, he's talking to, ese sujeto, what he's trying to say. Sujeto we use when we don't know the name of the person, this word sujeto, or when we want to ignore that the name of that person that we don't want to use it, and we say sujeto. ¿Quién es ese sujeto? Who is that guy?
Tantos años de mimos y arrumacos me han ablandado.
No seas tonto. ¿Quién es un lindo gatito?
Yo.
Again here, interesting word. Tantos años de mimo. And what is mimar? Mimar is to pamper, guys. And you touch, you pamper, we say mimar, guys. Animals, mimar los animales, o persona también, personas. Tantos años de mimo, so maybe a lot of people, oh, what a beautiful cat, and touch, mimar, mimo, tantos años de mimo. Maybe this is why he's fat, mimo, eating, pamper. Guys, what he's doing, guy? He's touching the belly. It's not so big. Ablandado. Ablandado, we use it when the person became soft. Maybe in the personality, maybe in the physics. Yeah. Ablandado. Me he vuelto ablandado. Like blandito. Like not strong. Maybe soft. Ablandado. So he's ablandado, guys. What do you think? So, guys, this is the end of the second step. We will watch again without subtitles, guys. So, are you ready for watch now? But remember that in this second step, you needed to write down all those words that maybe you didn't know about it. So, guys, now let's do a little bit of recap of the vocabulary that we have learned in this short clip. For example, alimentar, ¿ya? Alimentarme, alimentar. ¿Qué te pasó? ¿Qué te pasó? Panzó, guys. Panza, panza. Gracioso. Antaño. Poquillo. Esponjado. Mimar, guys. To pamper. Mimar. Ablandado. We talk about that. Softened. Y sujeto, guys. Sujeto. Like Fiona say. Ese sujeto. ¿Quién es ese sujeto? Like guy. Like maybe a stranger. Maybe someone that you don't want to call her by his name. And guys, you need to write down those words. Why you need to write down those words? Because now we will watch again the clip without subtitles and without me speaking like the first time. And I think now the percent that you will understand is more than the beginning, I'm sure. So let's try to watch again, and then you will write me on the comments and tell me how much do you understand without subtitles in the third time and even in the first time when we watch it. Got it? Going on.
Hola. Fiona.
No deberíais estar aquí, señor.
¿Gato? Esto no puedo creerlo.
Aliméntame, si puedes.
Gato, ¿qué te pasó? Estás tan... gracioso.
¿Te conozco?
¿Tu sombrero dónde está? ¿Y tu cinturón? ¿Y tus botitas?
¡Bota! ¡Pa' un gato! ¡Ja!
Eres el gato con botas.
Puede que antaño. Pero el nombre se me ha quedado pequeño.
No es lo único que se te ha quedado pequeño.
¡Ey! A lo mejor me ha abandonado un poquillo desde el día de mi retiro. Pero colgar la espada fue la mejor decisión de mi vida. Tengo toda la crema que quiero y los ratones que puedo atrapar. Ese puede esperar.
Ay, gato, ¿qué te he hecho? Te has esponjado.
Pues, bueno, aquí me cepillan 2 veces al día.
Aún es tiempo de repararlo. Solo ayúdame a conseguir un beso de Fiona.
¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿De dónde salió ese sujeto?
¿Será posible? Tantos años de mimos y arrumacos me han ablandado.
No seas tonto. ¿Quién es un lindo gatito?
Yo.
So guys, it was understandable for all of you. I hope so, because now without subtitles maybe you understand more than before. Yes, interesting here. The gato con botas muy esponjado, guys. Yes, I hope that you like the lesson of today. Learning Spanish with movies, clips, yeah. That can help you with new vocabulary and also improve the listening to understand Spanish better when people speak to you. So I hope that it was useful, guys. So here we are again, guys. Do you like this video? It was useful for you? I hope so. And remember, this is a way to practice Spanish. So vocabulary, new words, that all those words that you need to write down. I hope that you did it. I will check later. So yeah, when we are learning Spanish, it's very important to watch movies, series, listen music. It's very useful, guys. My English is very bad, but my English is like this, not so bad, because I watch movies on English and listen to music and watch TV shows in English, of course, with subtitles in Spanish. Before, now without subtitles, because now I understand more than before. So I advise you to do the same. See you in the next video. But remember to like if you like this video and to subscribe to my channel, because that is supporting me. In the next days and weeks, I will be creating new videos, new content for learning Spanish, guys, for all of you. Yes, so nos vemos en la próxima. And remember to watch Shrek in Spanish. It's very useful, guys. Yes. Aliméntame si puedes. Te has vuelto esponjoso. Te has vuelto ablandado. And let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this video, about this way of learning Spanish with movies, with clips in Spanish, explaining the meaning, give you some vocabulary. Let me know in the comments down below and I will be very happy to hear from you. And remember, if you haven't watched yet my video, how to say you are welcome in Spanish in 10 different ways, or also the video learning Spanish with TV series, guys. All those videos on this channel, and you have a lot of content and ways to learn Spanish with me, and see you in the next video. Hasta luego, hasta la próxima.